course, this is our ingredients. We have coconut milk powder mix, and we have the cassava manioc rapi. Grated cassava. And of course, we also have the milk. Yes, condensed milk. And wait for the coconut. Yan, coconut powder. Pakuluin muna natin. Let it put the grated cassava and stir. Of course, this is our ingredients. We have coconut milk powder mix, and we have the cassava manioc rapi, condensed milk. This is to put on top. I put a little for change, water and sugar. And now I soak the grated cassava to the coconut milk and will continue stirring. Okay, so kailangan hindi masyadong mainit yung kalan para hindi siya didikit. Okay? Yeah. Should be moderate temperature only, enough to boil the coconut powder mixture. Now it's ready. We are going to get it from the oven. Ayan siya. Yummy! First time cassava making. Hindi pa siya perfect, pero pwede na rin, di ba? Ayan, na-try ko na itong part na to. So, medyo malambot siya kasi I put a lot of coconut milk. So, perfect! Sarap!